Here we are at the pre-light for the very first Investor Day event for Dave & Buster's and the recent acquisition of Main Event.
Welcome to our Investor Day. We are so excited to be able to walk you through all the hard work our team's been doing over the last several months.
When you think of a public company's investor audience, Investor Days are the pinnacle of financial communication.
Investors don't buy earnings, they buy stories. If a company is not clear on what their story is, the rest of the Investor Day falls flat. Are they a growth story? Are they a margin story? Are they a balance sheet story? Are they a transformation story? What are they? That's why with Dave & Buster's, this Investor Day was so important.
With two brands, Dave & Buster's and Main Event, we're even better positioned to grow this business going forward.
Some of the parts that we, really needed to make sure were great were the show open, right? You need this bang start. You need it to feel like you're inside of a Dave & Buster's, maybe even inside one of the games at a Dave & Buster's.
It's like a stimulus overload. I wanted to bring that energy into the project. And I think instead of us playing it safe, we decided to experiment and really go all in.
So we really focused on opening strong with an amazing intro video, and then let that graphic idea play out throughout the rest of the Investor Day. So the same kind of fonts, the same kind of approach to transitions. We animate the deck, we make it look beautiful. We built some beautiful gradients, and all of that is at play in the Investor Day.
So we had an extensive team on this one, from creative involvement up front on what is the concept and the approach that we take for taking a company like Dave & Buster's in the entertainment space and highlighting the technology, highlighting the innovation, and highlighting the forward nature of where that brand is moving. So ultimately, we wanted to make sure that we had the best tools available to our creative teams to make real-time changes and adapt in a live environment.
With an Investor Day, you are creating a story. You're building graphics, you're building a visual narrative, but what you're also doing is you're directing executives to become the best versions of themselves.
Any notes from the peanut gallery?
That is such a key part of the dynamic of an Investor Day. The audience wants to connect with each person that's speaking and trust that they are guiding the company in the best direction.
The leadership team at Cardboard Spaceship have deep backgrounds in investor relations, public relations, and in investment banking strategies. We understand what it takes to integrate with the executive team so that their investors and analysts understand what it is they're doing, how they're doing it, where they're going, and why the management team needs to have that vote of confidence so that they can have great shareholder returns in the future.